See, apparently the diagram looks like top-down design. It is not top-down design. It is not a structure diagram. It is not stepwise refinement. It is none of them, although it looks like that. It is JSP, Jackson Structured Programming Diagram. Now, this first symbol, a simple rectangle, is not a subroutine. As I said, it is not top-down design. It is not a procedure. It is not top-down design. It is not a function. It is not top-down design. What it is a data item or data component. So if there are three data components or data items in a row, it is said to be a sequence. Sequence का मतलब ये हुआ कि they will be tackled, resolved, catered left to right. They will be tackled left to right. Means first A will be used, then B, and then C. No way they are used any other way. It shows a sequence, which are three true statements for JSP data structure diagram shown below. X is achieved when A is done, then B is done, then C is done. X is achieved when A is done, B is done, and then C is done. Data structure X is made up of item A, B, and C. True. Data structure X is made up of a combination of A, B, and C. The JSP data structure diagram illustrates a sequence. The JSP data structure diagram shows stepwise refinement. Stepwise refinement out है, बाकी सब true. Stepwise refinement, top-down design, structure diagram ये सब same है. एक ही बात के कई रूप हैं. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे उसका ताल्लुक नहीं है. अब देखें, a customer transaction consists of a customer number, product code and quantity. तो किस तरह बनेगा ये? ऊपर बॉक्स होगा कस्टमर ट्रांजैक्शन का, फिर नीचे तीन बॉक्सेस होंगे. लेफ्ट वाला होगा कस्टमर नंबर, मिडिल वाला प्रोडक्ट कोड एंड राइट वाला क्वांटिटी. सिंपल sequence. Second one with this not as in KNOT not. It's selection, means it is if then else. It is selection. This symbol is used in JSP data structure diagram. What it is to represent a selection. A train consists of engine followed by a carriage. Sometimes there is a second engine at the rear of the train. Engine, carriage, and then another engine. All right. train is consist of an engine and then carriage and then another engine. So a knot will be there. Although it is not correct by the rules, I'll come on it. बेटा जरा खामोशी सीधे बैठ जाओ. But this knot is showing that sometime it is there, sometime it is not there. Okay? By the rule, it says that all the boxes in one line should be of the same type. We'll come on it. Okay? So a train is consist of an engine, a carriage, and sometimes there is another engine. This knot is showing it is a selection. An employee record consists of employee name, employee address, and employee pay code, which is either full or part casual. So employee record is employee name, employee address, or employee pay code, which is either full or part casual. All right. This is its definition. Now, by the definition, it is correct because these three in the same line under one box are of the same type, and these two are of the same type. All right. These two are of the same type in one single line. The symbol used here is this iteration hai ye. Star means iteration. A train consists of, देखें इसका मतलब ये हुआ A will be completed when B will be completed several times. All right. When B will be completed several times, A will be completed then. ये होता है इसका मतलब. So a train consists of engine followed by one or more carriages. Sometimes there is a second engine at the rear of the train. A train is consists of an engine, then carriage body, which is made up of one or more carriages, and then sometimes there is an engine. So हम कहेंगे इसको engine body, और इसके नीचे आके हम यहाँ पे engine 2 लिख के और यहाँ पे नोट लगाएंगे. अब देखें हुआ क्या. मेरे ये दो जबरदस्ती के बॉक्सेस से ये हुआ कि पूरी डायग्राम सही हो गई. A train is made up of an engine followed by one or more carriages. Followed by one or more carriages. So I call it carriage body. This is standard. I will call it carriage body. And then under that I have what? Engine body, under which there is an engine or not. Now these two, carriage and engine, at the bottom level, since they both are not from the same source, this one is from carriage body and this one is from engine body. They are not the same source, so they may exist at the same line of, although they are having they are having different types. But if they are from the same, like here, if they are same, in that case, they have to be the same. If they are from the same body, they have to be the same. अगर ये अलग अलग निकल रहे हैं, अलग अलग boxes से निकल रहे हैं, then there is no problem. But if they are coming from the same box, they have to be the same type. All right. So next question. An exam paper consists of the front page, exam paper, page, followed by at least one question, means it may have several questions. It may have several questions. Sorry, my star is very bad sort. Now, the exam paper is consist of a front page followed by at least one question. Is it clear? Exam page, front page, at least one question means there may be more than one questions. अदरवाइज अगर आप इसको इस तरीके से फॉर्म करेंगे, एग्जाम पेपर इज मेड अप ऑफ फ्रंट पेज, then you would have to put question body, and then in that body you would have to put questions. See, in this case you would have these two same, and then under question body we have multiple questions, or you can put this way. When we put this way, the need of this body will be eliminated automatically. Okay, it's up to you, but all you have to take care of that boxes in one line which are coming from a simple single box has to be the same type. Understood? Question? Upside? A shipping company has a number of merchant ships. Data are recorded for all. But yeah, this is it. You have to remember these three: sequence, iteration, and then selection. And from the box, all the boxes underneath in one line has to be the same. If one of them is not the same, introduce the same thing body and bring it further down. So it's this way you would have all the boxes in the one line the same. Okay? Now there is another facet of it, and that is this is all explained again with the help of pseudocode now. Now try to instead get out of the data and come to the coding. Now let's see if it is like do B and then do C, it is the proper form. Okay? A will be complete, C is complete. And then see this. This is another form, it is perfectly all right. They all are coming from the same. So if it is different or the same lines, does not matter. It is perfectly all right. So begin sport, do cricket, do football, do tennis, and then while you are beginning cricket, you are batting and then you are bowling. Again, while A will be completed when B will be completed several times because it is in a loop. A might be one of the B, C, and D. Depends how selection works. Okay? If condition, then do B, else if condition, then do C. These related codes are there, pack of cards and all. So a simple book is having page lines and then words, then word. Let's try to understand this. So task 1.3, what it says, pseudocode. So we have this task 1, we have this structured diagram. What it says, if the person's salary is greater than 50, then check if it is greater than 90, then it is a manager. If it is greater than 50 but not greater than 90, then it is a lead developer. And if it is not greater than 50, then it is a manager. Simple. Bring the same if then else logic as we just did with decision tables. Because whenever they are asking for it, they always mean it. No other form, the same form. Research this JSP diagram, find the meaning of the different symbols inside the boxes and how these affects the structure of the program, and then we have to complete this. And I did it somewhere. See, while not end of file, because they said it is coming from a file. That's why I use this end of file. Complete the following pseudocode algorithm for JSP diagram on the previous page. And staff salaries are read from a file. So that's why I wrote while not end of file, it is going on. Call read salary. It is there. देखें यहाँ पे given है read salary. Read salary if salary is greater than 50, then if salary is greater than 90, if it is greater than 50 and greater than 90, then project manager. If it is greater than 50 but not greater than 90, then lead developer. If it is not greater than 90, then it is manager. It is greater than 50 but not greater than 90. No, sorry. If it is not greater than 50, then it is a manager. Now, they say a new role is introduced. Any member of the staff earning more than 70 and less than 90 is called a consultant. It is greater than 50, then it checks if it is greater than 70, then it checks if it is greater than 90. If it is greater than 70 and not greater than 90, then it is what? Lead developer. If it is not greater than 50, then it is manager. And if it is greater than 70 and not greater than 90, then it is, sorry, consultant. It is greater than 70 but not greater than 90, then it is consultant. Understand it thoroughly. If it is greater than 50 but not greater than 70, then it is lead developer. If it is greater than 70 but not greater than 90, then it is consultant. This is the new thing which was introduced between 70 and 90. And if it is greater than 90, then it is project manager. These files are uploaded. And if we have to program it, this would be like this. If If it is greater than 70, then if it is greater than 90, then this. If it is greater than 70 but not greater than 90, then it is consultant. If it is not greater than 70 but greater than 50, then it is lead developer, as in it was there. And if it is not greater than 50, then it is manager.